Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison between Skyglass and Samsung TV. In order to do so, here we are at sky.com/glass, and we're also at samsung.com. And in order to do a comparison, let's go ahead and take a look at Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, Skyglass is a smart TV developed by Sky. It's developed as an all-in-one streaming TV with integrated Sky services and apps, no satellite dish needed. Key features include Sky Streaming, Live TV, On Demand, and Sky Q apps. It has a minimalist design with integrated speakers tuned for Sky content. Google TV is the operating system for access to various streaming apps, and it has a focus on seamless Sky ecosystem integration. It's available in various sizes, optimized for Sky subscribers. It's ideal for Sky customers who want an all-in-one streaming experience without external boxes or satellite dishes. Samsung TV, on the other hand, is probably fairly familiar to most people. It produces a wide range of smart TVs with various models from budget to premium QLED and Neo QLED displays. They run Samsung's Tizen OS. Key features include a wide variety of screen sizes and resolutions, premium display tech with QLED, OLED alternatives, and advanced local dimming. It features a smart TV platform, the Tizen OS, with many apps and smart home integrations, and it has support for multiple streaming services and standards with extensive hardware features such as gaming modes, HDMI 2.0 ports, and ambient modes. It's ideal for users wanting a versatile TV with top-notch display quality, broad app compatibility, and customization. In summary, Skyglass is a streamlined, Sky-centric streaming TV optimized for Sky services and Google TV apps. It's designed for simplicity without extra satellite equipment. Samsung TV offers a broader choice of models and advanced display technology suitable for all kinds of users, gaming, home theater setups, and smart home ecosystems. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. Click on any of those links to get started, including Cider. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.